My name is Yawisin. I will giving a brief introduction about our programs that we have chosen a cinema ticket system as our titles of the assignment. And we have come up with a simulations of a cinema ticket system. Now let's look at our key features of the program. Key features of the program, we have main navigations. Its main menu allows user to explore options such as viewing now showing movies, selecting a movie, exiting or accessing contact information. And we have movie listenings and timing. User can view details information about the movie, currently begin screen, including names, halls, format, shows times and durations. And we have seat selections. A graphically representations of seat is displayed where user can pick their preferred seats. Select seats are marked as reserved. And we have customer categories and pricing. Different pricing options are available for adult, children, students, seniors, and OKU. And we have also discount and service tax. A 10% discount applies for purchase 5 or more than 5 tickets, and a 10% of service tax is calculated on the total. And the last, we have payments and receipt generations. The system calculates the total price, applies discount and tax, and generates a receipt for the user with a detailed breakdown and cost. What is important for customers that use cinema ticket system? First, convenience and efficient. Customer can browse movie schedules, choose seats and book tickets online without needing to visit the cinema in person. They can avoid long queues and book anytime, anywhere. And the second is seat selections. Provide the flexibility to select preferred seats, ensuring a better viewing experience. And it can help customers see seats available in real time. And the three is transparency. Customer can view ticket price, available category like adult, student, OKU, and any going discounts or promotions. And the last is security. The digital payment options are safer than carrying cash for ticket purchase, and the customer can reduce the chance of losing physical tickets by using e-tickets or QR code. So now we look at our program overview. The main part of the program are main menu that can provide options for navigations between features. And the second is showing movie timing. It can display currently available movies with relevant details. And the third is select movie and seat reservations. That can allow users to choose a movie, pick seats, and define customers category. The fourth is payment processing. It can handle payment calculations, applies discounts and tax, and generations of receipt. And the last is contact information. It can display contact details for customer support by using this program. Customer can efficiently book tickets, receive clear payment details, and enjoy an enhanced movie-going experience at Galaxy Cinema. That's all for my part. Thank you.
I'm Jingxian, and now I will show you how the cinema system program works. First one, build and run. Now you can see, welcome to Galaxy Cinema, and here have the 4 options that user can select. The first one is the showing info, so it will show the movie that today we will be showing. Back to menu. The second one, select movie, I will show you later. The third one, exit. The third one is exit function, so it will show you are exiting. Now I will show you the fourth one option, contact us. So it will show the contact information of our Galaxy Cinema system. So now I will show you the second option, select movie. So now here user can select the movie they want to see. So now I will show the example. So for example, I want to see Stranger Things. So don't forget, if you buy 5 tickets and more, you can get 10% discount. So I will show you how the discount function. For example, I select the A1, and now you can, if you select the seat, you will select the category. Each category have different price. So I will show you each category for each seat. So I want to book more seat. A2, student, yes. A3, yes. A4 is senior citizen, yes. A5, OKU. So now I select 5 seat, and now I don't select any seat already. So it will show the receipt of this cinema system. It will show the date I pay, the date I buy this movie. It will show the movie, the hall, the date time, and the movie time. And it will show the seat and the category I select. So I buy 5 tickets. It will show the total price. We will plus together, and it will divide the 10% discount. So this is the payment receipt, and this is the end of our demonstration.
Hello everyone, my name is Yangqi, and today I'm going to explain about our code. So I'm going to talk about the header, constant, and structure. First is include IO stream. It enables input and output functionality. Number 2 is include IO manip. It provides function for manipulating output formatting. And number 3 is include vector. It provides the std vector class for dynamic arrays. And number 4 is include string. It provides the std string class for working with strings. And as usual, it will start with using namespace std. And there is const in row and const in col. It is constant for the number of row and column in the cinema setting. And then we got the structure to represent a movie. String name is for movie name. String hall is for movie hall. String date time is show date and time. And string movie time is show the duration of the movie. And there is structure to represent a seat in the cinema. So number 1 is char row, is row of the seat A to E. And second is in col, it is column of the seat 1 to 10. And then we got string category, it's category of the seat like adult, children, and each. Now I'm going to talk about the function declaration. So number 1 we got void display, it is to display the seat, row, and column. And number 2 is void reservation, it is to reserve the seat, row, and column. And number 3 we got void show movie timing, it is to show the movie time like when it starts. And number 4 we got select movie, for select movie, it is to select the movie. And number 5 we got void process payment, it is to do the payment for the seat in row or column. Now I'm going to talk about the global variable. So bool seats row column is declare a 2D array of booleans with dimensions row and columns. And the false is initialize all elements in the array to false. This creates a grid where each element is either true or false, with all starting as false. This is the main function of our code, and of course every code starts with int main. And then for us it follow up with int choice because we will let the user to choose their selection. So the main menu loop. First it will show up our title, which is welcome to Galaxy Cinema, and then there will be 4 options for the user to choose. Number 1 is now showing info, it shows the movie information. Number 2 is select movie, it let you select a movie. And number 3 is exit, which means exit. And number 4 is contact us, it will show our contact information. And then user can enter your choice, which is the prompt for user input. And then there is also switch case for the main menu option. you can switch case it to show movie timing. It will show the movie time, and then select movie. It will select movie to watch, like let you select a movie to watch at the section. And then there will be case 3, exit, which is exit from the program. And then number 4, there will be our display contact information. After that, there is also a 0 button for you to go back to main menu. After that, I'm going to talk about the movie timing. So void show movie timing, it will display the movie name, the format, the show date, and the show time. It will let you know when will the movie start, and then there will be the term and condition for ticket discount, and then there will be an option for you to press 0 to go back to main menu.
I'm Jingxian, and now I share with you what is the flow in control from our program. So in our program, we use control flow to make decisions and repeat actions based on certain conditions. Conditional statements like if, else if, and else help us check conditions and execute specific blocks of code depending on whether the condition is true or false. The switch statement is used when we need to evaluate a single variable against multiple values and act accordingly. For repeating action, we use loop. The loop is good when we know how many times we repeat something. The while loop keeps repeating as long as a condition is true. The do while loop ensures that a block of code runs at least once before checking the condition. So these control structures work together to handle decisions and repetition smoothly in the Cinema system. So in this Cinema code, 3 keys array play an important role in helping manage seat bookings and movie selections in a smooth and organized way. The first array is called seat, and it's a 2D array with 5 rows and 10 columns. Each spot in this array represents a seat in the cinema, and the value of each spot tells whether the seat is taken or not. If the value is false, it means the seat is available. If it is true, the seat has already been booked. When the user selects a seat, the system updates this array to show that the seat is now occupied. This is what the display bracket function used to show the seating chart, with available seats marked as a dash and occupied ones marked as X. The second array is a list of seat structures called selected seat. Each seat structure contains details about the seat, such as its row, A to E, column 1 to 10, and the ticket category like adult, child, student, and so on. This array keeps track of all the seats that the user select. It's then used by the system to calculate the total cost of the booking based on the category of each selected seat. This is handled in the progress payment function.
Now I will talk about select movie. First, we use vectors to store the object details like the movie name, the hall, the date and time, and the movie duration. Next, display the menu. We use cout to display the menu. For example, cout, welcome to having movies in the Galaxy Cinema. This will be shown in our beginning of the system. Furthermore, we allow user to make their movie selections. For example, in movie choice. If movie choice equal to 0, so the customer can do a selection 1 to 5 to book their movie. And the last, error handling. We allow user to do some error, and we will cout wrong movie choice, try again. This ensures invalid choice prompt and error message without crashing the program. So if the customer insert a wrong code, the program will not be crashed. So next, I will talk about function to display the cinema seating chart. Void display both seats, row, and the columns. This display the seating chart of the cinema. Loop through each seat in the row and display if it's available or taken. This display the X if the seat is taken, or else display dash if the seats are not taken. and see out end, this will end the seating chart display. Now I will talk about function to reserve a seat in the cinema. First, white reservation, blue seats, row and a column. You will show the seating chart to the customers. Next, check if the seat is already taken. If the seat is already taken, this will label as X. If available, it will label as dash. Next, it will display the seating categories and price. Example, see out number categories price to the customers. If the customer choose to go back, they can insert 0 to return to the previous menu. And if the seats are reserved, will be labeled as X. If available, it will be labeled as dash. Last, I will show the function to process the payment for the selected seats. Void process payment, and it will show the payment details and define the price for each category. Cons, double, we use double for the definition, and we get the total number of the selected tickets and initialize the total price using doubles, and we will calculate the total price based on the selected seat categories using else if, and apply a discount if 5 or more tickets are purchased using double discount, and calculate the service tax using double 2, and format display the payment receipt, and we will also set the precision to do the decimal number using set precision column 2.
So now I'll talk about the conclusion. The Galaxy Cinema ticket booking system provides an easy and efficient ways for customers to book movie tickets. It features an intuitive interface that allows users to view movie schedules, select seats, and process payments by offering seats categorizations, group discounts, and automatic calculates for tax and discount. The system ensures a seamless and customer-friendly experience. It also prevents double bookings and generates clear receipts, enhancing the professionality for the service. Overall, the booking simplifies that the ticket booking process, is making it convenient and accessible for all customers. Thank you.